How to take screenshots in Excel sheets. You need to grab a snippet of a web page, a reference chart, or system data and pull it straight into your spreadsheet workspace. If you are still relying on closing your window, hitting print screen, opening an image editor to crop it, and then manually dragging it back into your grid, you are slowing your workspace velocity down. Today, we are deploying Excel's native image capture suite to snap and embed perfect screenshots without ever leaving your active workbook. Alright, so Excel actually has a hidden dedicated screenshot engine built in directly into its interface. So before you click anything, make sure that the program, web page or window you want to photograph is open in the background right behind Microsoft Excel. And then jump into your sheet, move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Locate the Illustrations group and click to expand it. Then you can just left click the Screenshot button right over here. And the icon looks like a small camera lens. Then a drop-down deck will have these options. Available windows. This displays live thumbnails of every application running on your desktop. Clicking any thumbnail will instantly inject that entire full screen window into your sheet. And then also we have screen clipping, which is this one. This is the tool we want. Just click it. Okay, here you go. And Excel will instantly minimize. So once again, when you click on screen snipping, choose the area like this, and it will get dropped directly into your sheet. And also guys, but what if you need to do the exact opposite? What if you want to take a clean snapshot of your Excel cells themselves to paste into an email or report without losing your grid lines or cell background colors? So highlight the entire range of cells you want to turn into the image. So I will highlight everything in the table, then go to Home, look right next to the Cut and Copy tools on the far left. Do not just hit Copy, instead click the tiny drop-down arrow next to Copy and select Copy as Picture. Right, and the configuration control box will slide open. Leave the settings set to as shown on screen and format to Picture. And press OK. And your selected grid data is now logged into your system clipboard as a high-resolution, perfectly formatted graphic. For example, there you go. I can just insert this image. So this is an image, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. This is how you make screenshots, guys. Enjoy the guide as always, and thank you for watching.